Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also make sure you turn off the dishwasher's water supply underneath the sink. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Maytag Dishwasher Dispenser Assembly. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new dispenser assembly. The dispenser assembly is what dispenses the rinse aid and the soap. It's sold as a complete unit. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if it's damaged or broken or the actuator has failed and it's not dispensing. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Now that we have the door open, we can use our Torque 20 screwdriver to remove all the screws that holds the door together. Now that we have all the screws out, we can separate the two halves of the door. We're going to carefully lift the inner door up and hold the outer door down. We're going to put a weight in the door to hold it down because taking the inner door liner off is going to make it want to spring up. Once you have the inner door liner lifted up, we're going to put a support in here to hold the inner door liner up while we take out the dispenser assembly. First thing we're going to do is take the wires off. There's a double black one in the front and a blue one in the back. We're going to use a small flathead screwdriver to help take the connectors off. Once you have both wires off, you can set the wire harness aside, and then we're going to use the 1/4-inch nut driver to remove all the screws that holds the dispenser assembly in. Now that you have all the screws out, you can push the dispenser assembly out and lift it out of the dishwasher. Here's the old dispenser assembly next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Looks like they made a few cosmetic changes, but it'll go in and work just fine. Before you put the dispenser assembly in, you want to make sure you clean the lip area up really well so that when we put the new one in, you get a good seal. To put the new one in, all you have to do is line it up, and you want to make sure that the wire connections are towards the center of the door. We can just set it down into place and then lift it up and put the screws in from the back side. Once you have the door supported, we can use our 1/4-inch nut driver to put the screws in that hold the dispenser. We're not going to tighten these screws down all the way. We're just going to get them all snug, and then we'll go around and tighten them down so you get a good seal as you tighten them down nice and evenly. Now that you have all 6 screws snug, we can go around and tighten them down so you get a good seal. Now that we have the dispenser mounted to the door, we can reattach the wiring harnesses. Remember, the blue wire was in the back and the double black wire was in the front. Want to make sure you push these on all the way so you get a good connection. Once you have the wires connected, we can put the dishwasher door back together. First thing we're going to do is lift up the inner door and pull the support out. And then we're going to hold the outer door down with our leg while we take the weight off. Once you have the weight off, we can slowly lower the inner door onto the outer door and line up all the screw holes. Once you have all the screw holes lined up, we can use the Torque 20 driver to put the screws in that hold the door together. Once you have the screws tightened down, we can close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, turn the water back on, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.